Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another tutorial video. This video make a new mining site. So if you want to know this, please stay with me and keep watching my video. I always time try to share with you the crypto related uploaded and also crypto related mining site related information share with you. So if you want to know this, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notifications very fastly. Okay. So I have all this time try to share with you the mining related in trusted mining related site in my YouTube channel. So don't miss out. Here is the trusted mining site. If you want to know this, please any on video click and click on pop-up menu. Then it will be easily get this five link. So if you get this video, you must be click this and you will be easily go to this link. Okay. So now I request to you please joining my telegram. His name is BTS Satoshi gift card exchange. Have your core mining. If you want to increase your mining power, I hope you will be joining my telegram group. Share your hash card and gift card. Go to your Satoshi app and click your hash card and gift card. So with the code, please now share in my telegram chat. So that's the information of this site. Okay. So I go to the my main topic. There is a new free doggy mining site. So you know what's the price of doggy in this day. So I hope you must be join this site and every hour you can claim from this site. It's a trusted site and also stay in more day. So I hope you do miss joining this site. You can multiply your Dogecoin. Okay, deposit in your Dogecoin and also earn your free Dogecoin. Here is a trading option available here, and if you want to only earn from interest from this site, you can do this. This site is yearly interest payment to you. So if you want to know this, first of you joining this site and create your account. Okay. So when you get this link, come on my video description and click on more option and also click this here is this I also link added to you. Okay, so I also added these two link in this platform. Okay, so you have on anyone choose this. Okay, so is the best site one of the crypto site. So I hope you will be easily joining this. So here is a feature. Here is a free doggy claim and multiply game, fair and secure. Referral program also available here. If you invite any member, you will more earning from this. Interest also rate 8%. So is how many coin available in your account in yearly. So it's depend on interest in your, so you 8% uh, interest from yearly. You can withdraw and deposit without limit, but withdraw is limited. So here is the price of this doggy, 0.41. Okay, so today is 13.90% is high. So doggy video available here. So you can easily doggy buy in this time. The doggy is coming from 100 billion 2015. Yeah. Okay. So here is the how to joining this site. First off, you type your email and also fill up the password. Any type your password. You must be joining this code. Okay, and you edit your doggy coin withdraw address. Okay, so you easily if you want to avoid this, you can do this. Otherwise you can add this. Okay, so and click on this I am not robot. So okay, then you sign up option. Okay, so I have already joined this. Now I used to log in. Click on login option. Click on my email address and password, which already I typed this. Now I am not a robot. Okay. Now click this option, and they goes to their my home page. Okay, whereas the interest rate 8%. So if you want to deposit the doggy, you will 8% profit from this thing. Okay. So type this your simple this captcha, and click on roll option. Then you can play this option. Okay, alhamdulillah, I will some doggy can earn from this. Okay, now what do you it's a very simple. There is a multiple option available here. You can easily multiple your doggy. So here is choose this option. You can multiply and divide bet low or bet high. Okay, so minimum bit and this also earn option 8% available here. Minimum doggy 100. Okay, so you can more interest profit from this. Okay, daily interest back to you. And lottery, you can bid on lottery from this side. Okay, 88 lottery already have done. Okay, so you can buy this any on ticket. So number of ticket, count of this, and also total price, and also black jet. Here is a 2 between gamer will be play on. Minimum value must be in your account. Okay, dice also available here. You can choose and more from you. Okay, so many of the available here. Here is a withdraw option. Minimum withdraw 44, network fee 1. You can easily and fastly receive this amount. Okay, so that's the information of this site. So I hope you will know about this site. Please comment my video description. I will try to reply with you. Thanks for stay with me. Like my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.